Question number 24, students, 10th science sample paper released by CBSE. Read the paragraph very carefully. The following observations were made by a student on treating four metals P, Q, R, S with the given salt solutions. Four metal P, Q, R, S are four metal students, and they are treated with salt solutions. What will happen? You are aware that this is an example of student displacement reaction. What we are going to deal with, student, what type of question? Displacement reaction. In the chapter of the chemical equation, you have studied, student, you have studied in 10th class. More, you know that what is the rule? More reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal, right? Will displace less reactive metal. So based on that, we will write our answer. Will displace a less reactive metal or element. Here there are metal or element, student. So let us see what is the given information. First he says sample P, no reaction with MgSO4. That means it does not displace magnesium. Reaction occurs with zinc nitrate. But we have observation, student. Observation P displaces. How will I solve the question in the paper? P displaces zinc from the salt solution. It also displaces calcium from the salt solution, but it does not displace sodium. Okay, first information. Second, let me come to Q, student. Q reacts with magnesium sulfate, Q reacts with zinc nitrate, Q reacts with calcium sulfate, Q also reacts with sodium sulfate. Therefore, student, Q displaces what? Q displaces magnesium, Q displaces zinc, Q also displaces calcium, and Q also displaces sodium. Next, R, student, R no reaction, but R displaces zinc. R displaces zinc, and no reaction. So R only displaces one. And let us see about S, student. S no reaction. That means S is the least reactive. That is clear to us, student. Now we understand that out of this, student, which is the most reactive. As you can see, he says based on the arrange the given sample in increasing order of the reactivity. Here, student, which is the most reactive? This is the most reactive, student. Copper is the most reactive, increasing order. And the next one you can see, which displaces two metals, student, is P. And after P, then R displaces zinc, and the S is the least reactive. This is our answer in the question paper, student. This is based on the reactivity series. You know that already have seen reactivity series in some book, student. Next question, students. Write the chemical formula of the product formed when Q reacts with this is our Q reacts with copper sulfate. It is very clear, student. You know that Q is the most reactive. This was our answer, A, student. And B, Q is the most reactive. It displaces magnesium, zinc, calcium, sodium. Therefore, it will also displace copper from its salt solution. Copper is present lower than zinc, magnesium, and sodium in the reactivity series. If you want to have a look of the reactivity series, just for your information, reactivity series, you know, potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, students, aluminium, then you have zinc, then you have iron, student, lead, hydrogen, and copper below this. So this is a series. You already know what we call as a reactivity series, student. So you know that copper is much below the reactivity. Therefore, student, Q will displace copper. So if I consider the valency of Q is not mentioned, supposing the valency of Q is 2, then what will be the product, student? Q will react with copper sulfate, student, and this will displace copper. What will be the product? QSO4 aqueous, and copper is formed, student. Copper is formed. So Q has displaced copper, as you can see the formula. He says when reacts with Write the chemical formula. He is asking for the chemical formula. So what we are saying, one of the chemical formula which I am giving is QSO4. If the valency of Q is 2, if the valency of Q is plus 2, if the valency of Q is plus 1, then what will happen, student? Then it will become Q2SO4 if valency of Q is plus 1.